grammar goof getting between you and a great essay? Christina has the cure for a common slip.
I don't know what that is. Sounds like some kind of machine. I have no clue. I don't know.
Something that's supposed to change something, but it changes the wrong thing, maybe?
That's pretty close. But in grammar, you can't just be close. You need to be correct. So watch out for misplaced modifiers. They can really mess up the meaning of a sentence.
And this occurs when you have an introduction to the main sentence, and the main sentence actually doesn't connect correctly back to the modifier that introduces it.
Here's an example. Leaking oil, the mechanic fixed the car.
Leaking oil, the mechanic fixed the car.
Did you catch the misplaced modifier? Leaking oil refers to the car, not the mechanic.
When I say leaking oil, the mechanic fixed the car, it sounds like the mechanic is the person who's leaking oil, when in fact it's the car, not the mechanic, that's leaking oil.
The sentence should read, leaking oil, the car was fixed by the mechanic.
Oh, yeah, of course.
The key is to use common sense. As a rule of thumb, the modifier should be next to the word it's modifying. So put those modifiers in their place. For example, reporting for TKN, I'm Christina.